Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to explain and show you how to force upgrade Windows 10 IoT LTSC from version 21H2 straight to 22H2 using a tiny update package known as KB5015684 that you might be wondering how such a small file can upgrade your entire OS. The reason is simple. Windows 10 versions 21H2 and 22H2 actually share the exact same core operating system and system files. All the new features of 22H2 are already sitting dormant inside your 21H2 build. This KB5015684 package isn't a full Windows installer. It simply acts as an enablement package, a master switch that wakes up those 22H2 features and bumps your OS build number up to 19,045. However, you absolutely cannot run this KB5015684 file right away if you are on an older 21H2 build. You must go into Windows Update and install the latest cumulative update for 21H2 first. Why? Like I mentioned, KB5015684 is just the switch. For this switch to work, the hidden 22H2 feature files must already be downloaded and staged on your system by Microsoft through those regular monthly patches. If you don't update 21H2 to the latest patch, your system won't have the necessary foundational files. If you force the switch without them, the installation will fail, or worse, you'll run into blue screens and system crashes. Before you do this, I need to give you a major warning. The LTSC version is designed for long-term stability on specific builds. Forcing an upgrade like this is basically a workaround. By upgrading to 22H2 this way, your machine might stop receiving future security updates from Windows Update. Microsoft servers might not properly recognize your forced LTSC system. I highly recommend upgrading to 22H2 only if you absolutely need to install a specific app, software, or game that requires 22H2 as a minimum. If your system is running fine and you have no software compatibility issues, stay on 21H2 for maximum stability. If you've already upgraded to 22H2 to use a specific program, but you want to grab the latest monthly security patches, you'll need to roll back. To do this, you'll need to open Command Prompt as an administrator and use the DISM command line tool. You will run the remove package command targeting the KB5015684 Enablement Package. Once it's removed, your PC will restart and revert to the original 21H2. From there, you can check Windows Update normally to get your new patches, and if needed, reapply the KB to bump it back to 22H2 later. Next, I will begin the instructions. I will need to update to the final update of 21H2. I have just finished the update, and now I will check the Windows version. You can see here that this is the build number for the latest update of 21H2 at the current time. I will open Windows Update to check if there are any further updates available. There are no more updates available. Now I will proceed. First, I need to go to the browser to download KB5015684. I will leave the download link below for all of you. Download the version I have highlighted. I will use 7-zip to extract it. Next, extract the .cab file inside. These are the files after extraction is complete. You only need to pay attention to the files with the .mum extension. And the most important file is the one labeled 22H2 that does not contain the word payload. I will now copy the destination of this folder. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type CD and paste the destination right after it. Now, you will use a command to add the package to the machine. Please copy the name of the 22H2.mum file that does not have payload in its name. Paste the file name into the path. Press Enter to run. Press Y to continue the installation. The computer will restart and complete the installation process. I have just finished adding the package, and now I will check the Windows version. You can see that Windows is now 22H2 and has the build number corresponding to this version. The Windows version is still IoT Enterprise LTSC. The version information has been completely changed to 22H2. Now, you can download apps that require a minimum build of 22H2 completely normally. Now, I will show you how to roll back to 21H2 without losing any data. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges. You still copy the destination of the folder. Type CD and paste the destination right after it. Type the remove package command. Change the path to the name of the 22h2.mum file that does not contain the word payload. Press Y to continue. After the restart, your machine will return to 21H2 as normal. I have just finished restarting, and I will check the Windows version again. You can see that everything has been returned to how it was. You can continue to receive updates from Windows Update normally. And if you want to go back to 22H2, just repeat the steps from the beginning of the video after updating through Windows Update. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.